Hello everybody and welcome back to the Financial Wolf channel. In this video, we're going to be breaking down 6 ways to make money that don't have an age restriction. You can make money with the methods I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, whether you're 10 years old, whether you're 65 years old, or whether you're 136. It really doesn't matter how old you are, you can make money with the methods I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So be sure to drop a like if you are excited for all of this free information. Alright, so the first way that you can make money pretty much at any age is by starting a car detailing business. Now, this is something that can be extremely profitable because I know for a fact that a lot of car detailers are charging hundreds of dollars for just basic cleaning jobs. You know, most car detailing jobs only take like an hour to an hour and a half, and a lot of car detailers are charging hundreds of dollars for their services. So there's a lot of money in car detailing, and one thing you can do to set your business apart from all the other car detailers is you can charge a little bit less for your service. In my opinion, $200 for an hour or an hour and a half of cleaning your car is a bit excessive. So you can maybe charge 40 to 50 bucks for your services, and you'll still be getting a good rate, and you'll be getting a lot of clients for your business. Car detailing is also a business that has relatively low startup capital. You just need some basic cleaning supplies for the interior and exterior of cars, and you're pretty much set to go. This shouldn't cost you more than $50. And another thing you probably would want to get started with your business is a Google listing. And this will just be some basic advertising that lets people know on Google when they look up car detailing service that you're in business. And this will help you get some calls for your car detailing services. So all in all, car detailing is definitely something I would look into as a business to make some extra money going forward. The second way that you guys can go out there and make some money is by starting a cell phone repair business. Now, this is something I looked into myself, but I never ended up pulling the trigger on starting my own cell phone repair business just because I was too focused on things like my YouTube channel and another business I was running at the time. The hardest part of starting a cell phone repair business is actually learning how to fix phones. This is pretty difficult at first, but after practice, you'll get the hang of fixing phones. One recommendation I have for you guys to learn how to fix phones faster is literally go on your phone and start calling cell phone repair owners in your area. Just politely ask them if they would teach you how to fix phones. Offer to bring your own supplies and your own phone to work on and see if they will say yes. I guarantee you if you call 10 cell phone repair owners in your area, one of them will offer to teach you and they'll be willing to help you. After you learn how to fix phones, you'll be in the money, baby. Trust me, the average profit on a cell phone repair job is about 50 to 60 bucks after counting the cost of materials you buy to actually fix the phones. The third way that you guys watching can make some extra cash is by editing videos for YouTubers. Now, this is one of my personal favorites on the list because I just know so many YouTubers with 20,000 subscribers or more making decent money from their YouTube channels, and they're really looking to find a video editor for themselves. So if you're looking to get into this, what I recommend you do is you start messaging YouTubers that you actually watch on Instagram, and you ask, hey, are you interested in somebody to edit your videos? And I'm sure you're gonna get a lot of rejection, but if you're messaging 100, 200 people every single day, I'm sure you'll get 3 to 5 people daily that will be interested in your service. And once people are interested in what you have to offer to edit one of their videos for completely free. And this is where you're going to be able to prove your skill and show them that you're not trying to scam them or anything like that and you don't know how to edit videos. If you're really good at what you do and you edit their video nicely, they are going to use you as their consistent video editor for all of their videos. And if you get just a couple of YouTubers that pay you for video editing, you can be making a lot of money from your business. You'll probably be making upwards of $1,000 or $2,000 every single month just on a couple video editing jobs, because YouTubers make a lot of videos every single week, and videos take a lot of time to edit. So if you just have a rate like 30 or 40 bucks an hour, you will be making a lot of money with your video editing business. The fourth way that you guys can make some extra money, especially if you're younger, is by selling candy at places like your school. I used to make a lot of money doing this when I was a freshman in high school. I used to sell all sorts of candy at my school. I sold Skittles, I sold M&Ms, I sold Starburst, you name it. I was selling all these different types of candy, and I was making pretty good money doing it. I was probably grossing about $20 to $25 every single day, and on that revenue, I was profiting about $10 per day. And that really does add up over the weeks and months that I was selling candy. I was profiting about $50 a week or $200 every single month. And that's some extra money to throw towards investments or towards some stuff that will yield me even more money. Selling candy at school could be a great option for you to make some money and really get started in the business world. It's a simple business model. It really doesn't take too much knowledge to start selling candy, and the demand is definitely there, especially if you're selling candy at school. A lot of high school students are interested in buying from you. So the fifth way that you guys can go out there and make a ton of extra money is by working as a web developer. Now, if you're savvy with the computer or you're interested in learning how to code, this can be a great way for you to make almost a full-time income. I know a lot of people who are looking to have websites built for their brand. For example, I have a friend of mine who also makes YouTube videos. His name is JJ Buckner, and I believe just a couple of weeks ago he was looking to pay someone to make a website for him. And if you learned how to code or you took a web development class, you could have taken that job and earned some cash money. So working as a web developer could be a great option for you. So the last business I'm going to get into for this video is working as a DJ and having a DJing business. So if you really like music and you have a passion for it, this could be an awesome way for you to make some extra money on a consistent basis. So of course it is going to take some capital to actually get started with a DJing business, as you have to buy the equipment up front before you can actually work as a DJ. But once you have that equipment purchased, you're in the money because there's really no other expenses associated with being a DJ and doing DJing for weddings or parties. I know someone personally who actually does a DJing business, and over the summer he's making $1,000 to $2,000 a weekend just being a DJ for weddings. So this can literally be a full-time income for you, and you can be doing this if you're 10 years old, if you're 12 years old, if you're 18 years old, or if you're 125 years old. You can be a DJ at any age and you can make quite a bit of money with it. All you need to do is get your DJing equipment set, create a Google listing for your DJing business so people can actually find you, and you're in the money. You're going to start getting phone calls and you can close some gigs. Alright everyone, I think that's going to about wrap it up for today's video. If you watching this enjoyed it, please be sure to drop a like on this video and check out some more content on the Financial Wolf channel, because we're all about making money here. If you made it to the end, thank you so much and peace out.